Construction at Camp Nou is reaching an exciting new stage. Significant structural elements are now taking shape, and visible progress can be seen across multiple areas of the stadium. Every step forward brings the project closer to its final form, making this update a must-see for anyone following the stadium's transformation. A major structural milestone has been achieved with the successful installation of the first pillar of the compression ring. The pillar was lifted by crane and positioned on the third terrace using temporary support systems to ensure stability during placement. After careful alignment, the pillar was set into its final position, marking the official start of the compression ring installation phase. This is the first of 46 pillars that will eventually form the continuous structural ring around the stadium. Progress continues on the installation of the decorative façade llamas. A previously open section has now been fully closed, confirming that the surrounding wall structure is complete. These llamas are designed to create a visual transition between FC Barcelona's Blaugrana colors and the neutral tones of the city. As more panels are installed, the gradient effect across the stadium exterior is becoming increasingly visible. Before we continue, if you're a true Barca fan, make sure to subscribe to Camp Nou Vision for all the latest updates and exclusive behind-the-scenes from Camp Nou. In the parking areas, the ramp in the Goal Nord lateral sector has been fully concreted, while formwork remains in place to complete wall closures at the entrance. Structural elements for future phases are visible on site, though the third phase of the parking development shows no major changes in this update. Preparatory work continues to support upcoming construction stages. Work continues around the future club store area, where facade preparation is progressing steadily. Structural supports are now clearly defined, with insulation and backing systems already in place across key sections. This area is being prepared for glazing and exterior finishing, following the same construction sequence seen in other commercial zones of the stadium. Interior circulation continues to improve with the ongoing installation of prefabricated staircases. Multiple staircase units have been delivered and positioned near vertical access cores, with several already installed across different levels. These staircases are gradually completing the internal movement network, allowing smoother access between tiers and supporting more efficient construction activity inside the stadium. Activity in the North Goal area remains more controlled compared to other sections of the stadium. Detailed work on vertical structural elements is ongoing, with finishing and surface treatments progressing steadily. This phase reflects a more precise and methodical approach, focusing on refinement rather than large-scale structural changes as the area advances toward completion. This concludes today's construction update from Camp Nou. Progress remains steady across multiple areas, with each new installation bringing the stadium closer to its final form. If you enjoy these updates, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the Camp Nou Vision, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.